Yeah. Is it working? Oh, the muffler came off.
Yeah, we got it.
Oh, we're leaking everything.
Where?
I'm kidding.
Oh, geez.
Thunder. Not sponsored.
Yeah, sponsor.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsor. What brand is that?
Thunder.
That's a pretty good brand.
Is it Thunder?
Yeah, look. Look at the logo. Or it's like, I don't know.
That's not Thunder. That's
Something.
it's a bird. It's a Roadrunner. It's a bird.
It is burgundy to keep that.
Oh. Jeez.
What?
I'm just looking at the inside.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, every time you give it a little bit of gas, the biggest puff of blue smoke comes out.
Yeah? Oh,
Yeah.
I know exactly what we need to do now.
Might need a new motor.
Huh?
New 4.6.
No. Man,
New 302.
5-0 Coyote.